it's Mrs. Jeremy, and this is Virtual Meet the Teacher. So I wanted to just say hi and introduce myself to you for the start of this new school year. Whether you'll be in person or learning virtually, I look forward to getting to know you this year. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am a family consumer science teacher, and my degree is in home economics, fashion merchandising. I am married. I have 3 children. They are all grown now, and my oldest is married, and my son, he just graduated college and got his first teaching and coaching football position. And he will be teaching economics and government and coaching linebackers, and we are so excited for him. And then our youngest is in college at Texas A&M Commerce, and she is enjoying that independence now. So I'm going to explain a little bit of things that we have to cover. And so first we're going to go to the Azle ISD homepage. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So let's go to Azle ISD. So this is the main page. So you'll go up to select a school, click on Azle High School, staff and organizations, and you can go to my website, scroll all the way, almost all the way down. Here I am, Natasha Jeremy, Family and Consumer Science. Click on my name, and this tells a little bit about me, tells my schedule and my classes that I'm in, and forms, class expectations and format. I'm the Azle FCCLA advisor this year. I have been for the last few years, and I love that it is all about family and leadership and community service, and of course they also compete, but it's a lot of fun. And so let me start with this link right here. So things we have to cover today. Attendance, you must attend 90% of the days, and that will be through assignments and Google Meets, and we will discuss that in just a little bit. There are, and this is on the website, you can read this through that link I gave you, and you may earn your credit even through virtual instruction. If we have to shut down, we will all be virtual. If you want to choose to go from virtual to on campus, you can do so. They ask that you let your counselor know at the end, near the end of the 6 weeks, so that they can make preparations for you to do so. School systems must provide on-campus attendance as an option, and so we will be taking attendance both online, in person, through your assignments, through Google Meets. Okay, so, and I'll explain that a little bit more. So let's go to how you'll get onto your class. So you'll go to class link to get to Canvas. If you've already been a student at Azle High School, you already know about Canvas. It's a great system, and we will discuss it even further. So here's class link. On your class link, you'll have apps. You'll go to your Canvas app, and that will log you in. You may have to make sure your password is all in. So let's click on one of my classes. So I have Principles of Human Services, Counseling and Mental Health, Dollars and Cents, Fashion Design, and these are things down here for teachers. So let's click on Principles of Human Services, since it's over here to the left. Okay, so I have links built into my website that will take you to whatever module. Let's say we're in third 6 weeks and you don't want to go through all those other modules. You can come down to the link that you need. The bottom one, ISS and DAEP, that's mostly for the teachers over there to be able to get to assignments, but all assignments will be within the 6 weeks. Okay, so let's go to the very beginning. Okay, so when we start school, we're going to be going over this again the first day of school, but information that we need today is right here. Okay, so brief description of the class, classroom expectations and format. That's also going to be further down in the module. We will have Google Meets. Now it's changed from, now it's changed from daily to 3 days a week. That is changing, so I will fix that. Okay, so here is the Google Meet for if you are learning at home or we go virtual. It will be right here in first period. Here's the nickname. You'll type this into your Chromebook, into Google Meet, and that's how you get in. If you are using a cell phone, you're a parent or something, and you're wanting to go to that, which is mainly for students, you can use this code. If you're having trouble getting in, please email me. Same 8th period, and these are going to be Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. We're not going to do it Mondays and Fridays. Then if you're wanting a conference, this is the code, Jeremy Confer, or this will be the link to get in. If you're also having trouble getting in, please email me. This is Remind. We do class announcements through Remind. You can also talk to me through Remind. This is a way for you to be able to text, but I cannot see your phone number and you cannot see mine. This is for privacy reasons that we use Remind. This is my schedule, so that you know what class period that I am in at that time, or that you have me. This is the conference period. Parents or guardians, if you want to speak with me, it will be during 6th period, or you may email me at any time and I will get back with you. Tutoring. If you are virtual and you need tutoring time in addition to class time, you can email me and we can set up a Google Meet. This would be the code, Jeremy 2020-21, just for tutoring. And that time, if you're in person, and this is the same time, but that is, this is for if you're virtual, this is for you on campus, but it's the same time, Tuesdays and Wednesdays after school, 4 p.m. to 4:30, Wednesdays 4 p.m. to 4:30. The tutoring bus runs at 4:30. If you need your tutorial to be a Google Meet after school, you may email me at myofficial@azolisd.net email. Okay, communication. Google Meets scheduled during your class time. They will be Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And you will have an individual Google Meet tutorial if you need to meet with me online, if you are a virtual student. Google Meet conferences for parents, schedule with me via email ahead of time. All emails that you want to do official or you need to reach me quickly, it will be my official school email, nderemy@azolisd.net. Projects are reserved for the G.email. Students use the G.email, nderemy@g.azolisd.net. This is where you share your project, your Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Docs with me so that I can open them. It is not mainly for writing, for me to respond to emails and stuff. It's for projects, but you will email me here. Canvas email. If you have a question about an assignment, you can email me right over here in this green bar, this inbox. That is where you can email me about any assignment. It goes straight to my phone, and also we have a record of that in Canvas. Remind for your class. Same, the code is up there. And then this is my classroom phone number. This is a link to my website. Most of the information is in Canvas, but it is passwords for students, so you can find the same information on my website. If you do not know something or want to know something, please email me. Also, this is the access to your textbook. Counseling Mental Health does not have a textbook, but any of the other classes, this is where your textbook information is. Okay, so let's go back to grades. Grading guidelines will be 60% of your grade is daily grades. We will be, move this over so you can see a little bit better. We will be covering daily assignments every day. That's how we are taking attendance, and through the Google Meets. It says here minimum of 10 grades. I will have more than that because we have to have something daily. This is just the minimum we have in the grade book. Used to, we had different percentages for dailies only counted 20%. Now it is 60%. So every day you must log in, work on assignments, do Google Meets, so anyway, it's changed. Major grades like projects and things, those are 30% of your grade. We have to have a minimum of 2. I will probably have more than that just to cover the content, and so that if you bomb a test, it does not kill you in your grading. Then 6 weeks test, semester test, 10% of your grade. That is, the name of that has changed to CBA, and we used to call them 6 weeks tests and semester tests. We still probably will, but the state has changed it to CBA, curriculum-based assessment. Retesting. If you fail a test, you may retake it and one time, but you cannot do that for 6 weeks test or semester test, and the maximum retest grade you can make is a 70. Approved communication tools. This is how you communicate with me. Also, I checked on this, also Canvas email, but this is how you would reach me, and that is on my website and in Canvas in every class. Okay, and then the bottom is for teachers. Anyway, so let's go back to my website. Let's see. So go to staff and organizations. Back to anything that you need is mostly on my website. All of that same information, codes, reminds. I have them by all of the classes on my website, and ASL FCCLA links are also there. Well, it's very long. And also the class expectations, that will be done through a Google form. I'm giving bonus points for that being signed and returned. If you don't want to use a Google form, you can just take a picture of it and say, you know, I agree with the classroom expectations, and then submit that to Canvas. Okay, so it's very nice to meet you. I hope that you have a great week, and I look forward to getting to know you this year. Anyway, bye-bye. Y'all have a blessed week. Bye-bye.